Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, park level, chalk, and set brakes so nothing shifts. Lift the landing gear slightly and place rated jack stands under the tandem assembly to support weight. This prevents sudden drops. While the system is supported, remove wheel covers and visually inspect airlines, hangers, spring clips, mounting bolts, and bearings. You do this because catching worn parts early prevents misalignment and sudden failures. Once done, note any stretched springs, missing clips, or loose bolts before moving to adjustments. Now you adjust. Loosen U-bolts to free the axle and move it to the manufacturer's spec using measuring tape. Record distances from a fixed chassis point. Reposition the equalizer spring so travel is balanced left to right and secure with correct torque. This restores load sharing and reduces tire wear. Adjust brake pushrod lengths and slack adjusters to equal travel. This ensures braking balance. Make incremental moves, remeasure, and tighten progressively so alignment stays true and nothing binds. Finish strong, torque every fastener to spec and mark them for quick inspection. Lower the rig and perform a slow road test. Listen and feel for vibration, steering pull, and uneven braking because dynamic loads reveal remaining issues. After 50 miles, re-torque and inspect for settling. If problems persist, check pinion angle, spring shackles, and airbag pressures. These affect ride height and alignment. A key troubleshooting tip: if you still get pull or shimmy, isolate by swapping axles or lifting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.